Welcome to the Insurance Agents and Brokers Podcast. Whenever you are ready.
Hello and welcome to the audio version of Claire-ification. My name is Claire Pantaloni and I am the VP of Advocacy at IA&B. Claire-ification is a bi-monthly guidance column in Primary Agent magazine. The question posed for the June 2024 column is, can agencies implement a no-cash policy for walk-in payments? And we're going to cover in the answer our three states, of course. In Pennsylvania, the insurance department has adjusted its position recently and opened up the ability for agencies to refuse cash payments if certain conditions are met. First, it is important to note that there is nothing in statute to prohibit an agency from refusing cash payments. By the same token, it is legal tender, and refusing cash could cause issues of timeliness of payment, resulting in lapses or cancellations for non-pay. To avoid issues, agencies should 1. Document the process to avoid any possible claims of discrimination or other complaints. 2. Consider what the agency will do in an event where not accepting cash could cause a lapse in coverage. In this case, having a contingency plan in place for such circumstances may avoid issues. And 3, check their agency agreements to make sure that refusing cash payments does not violate any contract terms. Let's look at Maryland. Maryland is also flexible. According to the Maryland Insurance Administration, there is nothing in statute or regulation that requires a producer to accept cash payments. As long as the producer is treating all policyholders the same in this regard, they do not view this policy as a problem. In other words, Maryland mainly focuses on consistency of treatment so that the agency does not run into a potential discriminatory practice issue. Let's turn to Delaware. In Delaware, House Bill 299 was enacted in 2022. That law prohibits businesses from refusing cash payments, except in limited circumstances that would generally not apply to insurance agencies. Businesses also should not discriminate against individuals paying with cash. The use of machines that convert cash into prepaid cards is an acceptable alternative for those who don't want to deal with cash. But keep in mind that you need to meet certain criteria. The device has to be on the premises, provide a receipt with the amount of cash deposited, must not charge a fee, and the prepaid card must not be subject to an expiration date. That law became effective January 1, 2023. If you should have any questions, you can reach me at clairep@iab4me.com or 717-918-9202. That is all for this month's Claire-ification. Thank you for listening.
Insurance Agents and Brokers is the premier resource and champion for independent insurance agencies in Pennsylvania, Maryland, and Delaware. For more information, visit iab4me.com. This is not a legal opinion. It should not be relied upon as such. The intent is to provide general background regarding the topics discussed, not to provide legal advice. Producers and agencies should consult an attorney regarding specific situations and questions with respect to the topics covered. Neither IA&B or any of its employees shall be responsible for any errors or omissions regarding any statements, nor any statutes, regulations, court rules, and/or government documents cited.